Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. This is day 6 of the Veda Vlogust. What I'm doing here this month, I am vlogging for 13 days coming up to my birthday, which is August 13th. I wasn't going to attempt to do all 31 days. No way. Today's video is all about my makeshift office. Guys, I had to carve an area out of my home to make it my office because I need a space where I can edit and do all my business, all of my things for YouTube. And yeah, I gave up my office, but it's coming back. I just wanted to share with you where I was working, as well as where did I put my bookcases that I took down out of my living room. Now I have an inset here in my family room. This is my family room area where I'm standing. As you can see, I have the movie picture back here. But yeah, I have an inset in this area. And to my left here is where my desk is, as well as those bookcases. So without rambling on, I'm just going to share with you my little area. So guys, I turned the lights off to the bookcases, but that's where the bookcases landed for the moment. They will move again. They will move once more. But for right now, that's where I have them. I took some of my decor off. I left some of it there on there. I added office supplies, the things that I need to work with. And it works out perfectly to have those bookcases for my office. So let me take you in closer. So I just have some decorative books on that top shelf, as well as those coasters that I just hauled. I don't have anything else over there at the moment. Next shelf I have my cloches and that mirrored candle holder that my mom gave me. The next shelf I have an organizer that's actually housing my napkin rings at the moment. But we'll change. I might change to a different organizer for my napkin rings. And to the right I have note cards and notepads and different things that I use. That is a that is a cell phone holder. Let me get it correct. But it does not fit my cell phone, but I just think it's just super cute that I just put on my bookcase anyway, that I got from Christy C. Down below is a caddy, a mirrored caddy that I picked up from Home Goods a year ago, and another decorative item. I'm going to go on and scan the shelves below where you see those IKEA boxes that houses different things, different office supplies, and I need to label those 2 boxes there. The next shelf is more books. Little bling ball there, a decorative bowl that Christy C gave me. The next shelf is a hanging file folder that I picked up from Target a year or so ago. That little hourglass there I picked up from Hobby Lobby just recently. These boxes here, these boxes contain my ribbon. I pared down my ribbon as well. Different types of ribbon that I love to decorate with. Next shelf is my bling globe. I've had that for a couple of years. Next to it is an award that I received from the Florida Highway Patrol. They gave me an award as well when my hubby retired because of the work that I had to do as a wife of a trooper. So they gave me a beautiful glass award as well. And next to it have these stackable boxes, mirrored boxes that I also picked up from Home Goods. Next shelf contains 2 bling binders that I recently found. I've been looking for some cute binders and I found them at Walmart, all bling. So I need to set them up. Really needed a binder to just jot my ideas and everything down in, and just decided to pick up 2. I probably need to go grab one more. And next to it is what I pared down to with my washi tape. Okay, I had a lot of that too and gave a lot of that away. And there's another set of hanging folders. I picked that hanging folder system up from Target, and I covered the folders because they were black. I covered them with contact paper from Dollar Tree. Very easy to do. And next to these bookcases, I have those ottomans that I had in my living room. One is a goodie box for my granddaughter and my nephew. So when they're good, they know they can come to that goodie box and grab something. The smaller one is empty at this time because I purged my candles. Now to take a look at my desk. My hubby purchased a new computer for me. Actually, it was a Christmas present, and he was on me about getting a new computer, and he fixed me by just getting it for me for Christmas. And boy, this computer by HP, I can process videos really quick, depending on how long they are. This desk I picked up from At Home last year. It's a glass desk. I wanted a glass desk with a silver bottom. You can see all of my little fingerprints on there because I've been sitting there working. You've seen this caddy here. It houses my tape and my stapler and my pens. I have them in a mirrored box. I'm gonna swerve around the desk here. I have my Veda planner, which was a recent purchase from Marshall's. I had to think there because I saw some in Home Goods. So yes, I purchased that. That's going to be my calendar for next year. So I'm trying to set it up how I need it to be. Underneath there is my Me and My Big Ideas Happy Planner, the big planner. I'm saying goodbye to it for now. Right there is my cup that I'm drinking water in. That says work. It's a Veda cup that I love to drink out of. Here's my keyboard, and it's a mat that I made out of a Dollar Tree placemat and just covered it with some contact paper that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Have my phone caddy. Have some labels there that I did print out right there that I need to put in place. And all my tech stuff here, I'm having it charged. I think I'm going to create a box. I'm looking down below. Create a box to hold all those cords and boxes to the computer and chargers. There's my iPad. Again, that's my camera. And here's my screen. I think it's a 27-inch screen. All in one. And I think for me to process faster, it's Ryzen. You have to have a Ryzen. You can tell I don't know anything about tech stuff. But yeah, that's what makes it process, the videos process quicker. But that is my makeshift office, guys. Now to share with you my sticker organization, I ordered some hanging folders from Go-Go Ducks off of Amazon, and that hanging file folder holder that you saw in my bookcases, that's where I'm storing all of my stickers. Now these hanging folders I purchased myself. Oh, these are gorgeous with this marble effect. They did have some lavender to it, which I didn't mind at all with it being inside the hanging folder, but the marble effect is absolutely gorgeous with the golds and creams. Now what I've done here, I've taken all of these hanging folders and placed them in this caddy from Target. Fits perfectly inside them, or inside it. And then I placed the tabs on them and labeled them using my label maker. And guys, these are all the stickers that I have left. It's still a lot of them. I purged a lot of them, got rid of them, and these are the ones that I wanted to keep. I have some from different seasons as well, just in case I want to decorate with them, and stickers that I can use every day, even letters and labels. And then I had this huge caddy here also from Target full of stickers that I am keeping. All of these stickers will go in this hanging file folder. And this is how it looks now. This is how it looks now. I have it labeled bling, letters, labels, etc. And it is perfect. It's exactly what I need. Well guys, what do you think of my little area? I pared down a lot of things, especially stickers and planners, items that I showed you there. I pared them down a lot because I really don't decorate my planner anymore. Every once in a while I may pull it out just to relax a bit, because it is relaxing to decorate it. But I kept a few, but that's it. Stay tuned for tomorrow, which is day 7, where I will be bringing you more content. If you are not a part of the Diva family, what are you waiting on? I would love for you to become a part of this family here. It's so simple to do. All you need to do is push that red subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe to the channel, double click that bell so you will be notified of all the videos I upload. We do a lot here. We do home decor, we do organization. This is a lifestyle channel, so that is an array of things that I will be bringing to you. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video, which is tomorrow. Have a blessed day, y'all.